Hello and welcome to Memory Sports TV, and this is a completely different kind of video. I want to explain to you how I create my memory palaces. And this is one topic I'm always going into very details when I'm coaching people, because people seem to have a specific idea of how they have to create their memory palaces, like having like 5 locations in each room, taking every single element you can find in your apartment, for example, as a location, and so on. What I want to show you today is my personal kind of how I create a memory palace for memory sports. So this is not for educational stuff. I mean, you can of course use a memory sports palace also for educational stuff, learning for your exam or anything you want to learn. But the other way around, if I would have to create a memory palace for learning something, I would do it definitely differently. I would have more locations in my room, in my house. I would have more locations, even locations which are closer together and so on. But for memory sports, I don't do that. I try to have a smooth walk through my apartment. So that's the idea. And yeah, you see that behind me here. I'm not buying a new apartment, but I would like to take a look on this apartment. I have already taken a look here a couple of minutes ago, and it looks like that this could work very well to create a nice memory palace and to show you how I would do it. So let's go and put myself a bit into the corner here, and then let's go with that one here and see how that works. I have to click start. I here already see how it looks like, and now we are in that apartment here. We're starting somewhere, but I always try to find first where is the entrance. So where's the door here, the entrance door? And I think it's here, it's over here. Yeah, that's the door. You can see the car outside here. So if I would enter that apartment, I would enter here. This is number one. Location number one is the door here. And then I can decide going upstairs or going around in the first floor first. And I would like to go for the first floor first. And what I do is I try to go along the wall all the time. And then we go inside, and then I don't care about the rest of the apartment yet. I would say take this orange nice sofa here as number 2. So number 2 is the sofa, and only the sofa. If I would do something with learning some real stuff like for education, I could also think about taking these pictures here, but I don't want that. So just the sofa and don't talk too much about it. So then I go into that corner because I want to go around that table, and the table is for me number 3. There's other stuff around here, but as I said, that's how I feel it's smooth. There's a little distance between all the locations. That feels good to me. So number 3 is the table. And then going here, and then that's what I mean. I would turn around here. So I come from here, go around that corner into this kitchen here, and then taking a look here to this outside. In the reality, I would open the door here and take this palm tree here behind the door. So this is number 4. And then I'm turning here, let's say we take that oven here, number 5. Then the first thing what pops up or comes to my attention here are these boxes. This is number 6. And then the water basin here is number 7. And now I could take this one, but I don't want to, because that's too narrow here for me. For memory sports, that's too narrow here. And so I take number 8, this big, huge refrigerator, but not the front. Of course, I would open it in my mind. So number 9 would be then this bar here. Number 9 would be that one, and only this one, nothing else. And then actually I would not go back here. I would jump over here. So of course I cannot do that right now. So let's go around the corner. But now we are going to have a nice number 10. And to me, the number 10, I would, if I could, I would go outside here and take more than just one location here, but I can't. So I just take this area. This whole area here is for me number 10. Right now I would recall. So we had the front door, then we had the orange sofa, then we had the table, then we're going around the corner, there was the palm tree outside, then the oven. This is number 5. Then number 6 were the boxes. Number 7 were this water basin. Number 8 was the refrigerator. Number 9 was this little bar here behind me. And number 10, perfect, is that area here. So number 10. Now number 11. Yeah, I would take this bulb here. But this would be number 11. I don't want to take that one because it's too close. Again, it's too close for me. So this is number 11 here. And then I go farther and I don't take anything here. That's what I mean. I just orientate myself going around the wall here. So always trying to connect to the left wall in this case. So number 12 would then be, what is it here? 12. I would take the shelf here, the bookshelf. Number 12, let's step a bit back. Number 12, this one. Then number 13, okay, this is again the outside area. Actually, I could think of taking this plant here, number 13, because if you take a look outside here from this space or from this place, I would definitely take this table here, this area. I wouldn't really care about that plant here. So yeah, I would say this is our number 13 here, this nice little plant here. It's another plant, but that works pretty well for me. So this is number 14. Of course, in my mind, I would open it. Can't open it here right now. Number 14. And then number 15 is this little shelf here with, I don't know, yeah, number 15. This one with this little guy on top here, number 15. Then number 16 would be for me this bed sofa thing here. And number 17, again, no, I take this little kitchen here, this little play kitchen, number 17. Could think about taking this one here, but if I feel one here, one on this wall, and one on this wall, it works pretty well for me. So this is number 17. For educational stuff, I would definitely take something in between. Okay, going outside and again, turning to the left. Don't care about that one here. Going here. And number 18 would be the towels here. Then number 19, I would definitely take this shower here, number 19. And then we have a 20. And this is too close connected here to me. I would just take this water basin here with the mirror here, number 20. So we have 20, and again, a review in your head. You can do that right now for yourself. So number 11 would be this lightning ball. Number 12 would be in the next room, the shelf. Number 13 would be this plant outside. 14 would be this cupboard there. Number 15 would be the shelf. Number 16 would be this little sleeping sofa. Number 17, this little kitchen. 18, we are here with the towels. Number 19, the shower behind me. And number 20, this one here. Then number 21, I would take definitely this cupboard here, number 21. Then 22, if I could open anything here, I would maybe take that, but I don't want that. So 22, I take all this stuff here at once. So this is number 22, this shelf here, this low shelf. Yeah, there's nice stuff on it, isn't it? So there's this picture and this bottle and this plant and this, maybe this box here, but not for memory spots, definitely not. This would be one location only here, 22. Then number 23, yeah, and you see we are here back to the start. Now going around on the left side, always going upstairs, and the stairs, it would be definitely number 23. Okay, going upstairs here, and then again, taking a look to the left. There's this room. Let's go into this room. Okay, that didn't work. Let's go up again. No, should work. It works. Okay, so we had 23, the stairs. Now 24, this bed here. 25, this little children's bed. Works pretty well here. 25, this little children's bed. I ignore that one now because I have seen that already downstairs was exactly the same. So 26 is, yeah, this table is the hands here. You would ignore that one. It's too close to me here. 26 is this table with the hands. And then going farther here, 27 as always, going this way. 27, this huge mirror here with the huge nice place to wash your hair or hands or whatever. Then 28 is this the toilet now. 28, then 29, this is another shower, but it looks totally different from the one downstairs. And this is number 30, is the nice bath tube. Again, recalling the last 10. So let's think of 20. Number 20 was downstairs, the water basin. Then 21 was the cupboard in the corner. 22 was the last one on the ground floor. It was this shelf there with the boxes and with the box, the music box and so on. Then the stairs, number 23. Then we're going into this room, the bed, number 24. Then we had the children's bed, number 25. Then we had the hands, number 26. Then we were entering this room, number 27. 28, this toilet. 29, this shower. And a nice number 30, the bath tube. I like if it is the last location in a room, but I don't care too much about it. For myself, I need to know number 10 was in the ground floor looking outside. Number 20 was the water basin on the ground floor in the shower. And number 30 is the bath tube. Okay, next room. As always, we orientate ourselves to the left. And yeah, this is a kind of a messy one to me. And to be honest, I would actually I would make it with one location because it looks so messy, but all these closes here, this is number 31, nothing else. Location number 31. You could, of course, take this, but I don't feel well about it because it looks too messy to me. This is number 31 here. And another plant, yeah, we can use that one here because it's a different location. It's a plant again, but it's a different perspective. It's a different location. It looks different. It's smaller. So it works pretty well to me. So 32. And then let's go into that one. Yeah, ignore that door here. 33. What is 33? What do we have here? Okay. In this situation, I have the feeling that downstairs I was coming inside and then seeing a bookshelf. Like you come inside and then you see a bookshelf to the left. And I feel that we have seen that already. And somehow it really felt similar. Let's go downstairs again here and check that. So you see, I'm always very, very cautious about creating that here. So we were coming inside here and then seeing a bookshelf to the left. I don't like to do that again. So because that was our location number 12. Let's go upstairs again. Because it's not always about just if the location looks, or let's say the object which you use as your location is similar, but the way you turn towards to that location, if that's too similar, I don't like it. So I would say 33 is the lamp here up there. I would just enter this room. I know there's another nice stuff here, but to be honest, taking this lamp here really feels different from downstairs. So 33, and then I might take this little, what is it? I don't know the English word for that. These cuddle things here. Number 34, this is okay. No, I wouldn't take that. 35, this bed here with the cat. 36, these boxes here, or the table. No, the table is it's too much in the middle of the room from me. 36, 37, this is a big bear here. And 38. Okay, 38. Do we have any 38 here? Come on. Yeah. But this definitely gives me the same feeling as downstairs. This looks so similar to the toilet downstairs, but I don't want to end with 37 here. So 38, maybe this curtain here. Yeah, this is nice. Something behind the curtain, number 38. And that's it, actually. Of course, ending with a 38 is not that nice as ending with a 40. But to be honest, I wouldn't care too much about it. Maybe I would add some 2 locations in between. For example, here in that room, I could think about taking maybe this lamp here, or maybe also this nice view here. I didn't see that in the first place. This pool here outside. Okay, we are reviewing everything here once. So first was the door, second was the orange sofa, third was the table, fourth was the outside plant, fifth was the oven, sixth was the boxes, 7 was the water basin in the lower on the ground floor kitchen, 8 was the, what was 8? Yeah, of course, 8 was the refrigerator, 9 was the bar, 10 was the outside area, 11 was the lightning bulb downstairs, 12 was the shelf, 13 was the outdoor plant, 14 was the cupboard, 15 was the bookshelf, 16 was the sofa bed, 17 was this kitchen, 18 going out there, then there was 18 the towels, 19 the shower, 20 the downstairs bathroom, mirror, water basin. So 21 was the cupboard in the corner, 22 was the shelves downstairs, 23 the stairs, 24 was the bed upstairs, 25 was the children's bed, 26 was the hands, 27 was the upstairs bathroom water basin, 28 was the toilet, 29 was the shower, 30 was the bath tube. Going out again here, then was this little room with all these closes, 31, then 32 was the little plant, 33 going into the next room was the lamp, 34 was the little cuddle animals, 35 was the children's bed with the cat, 36 was the boxes, 37 was the little huge teddy bear, and 38 was the curtain. And yeah, go ahead and try it for yourself if that works for you. And of course, it's not your apartment, it's just a random apartment somewhere in the world, but this is the way how created. And to summarize it, so what I do is I go like you would try to escape from a maze. You always orientate on one wall here. So going here, this way, then here. This was the oven, the boxes, water basin, refrigerator, bar. Outside here was a lightning ball going in here. That was the shelf. Then the outside plant. This was a huge board here. The shelf, sofa, kitchen, towels, shower, water basin here. Then this in the corner here. And then we have this shelf, stairs going up again. Second floor, coming up the stairs. This is the bedroom, children's bed, hands going here. This is the upstairs water basin, toilet, shower, bath tube, this room, plant going here. Here is the lamp, you can see it here, the cuddle animals here, this little bed. Then we have this blue boxes here, the teddy bear, and the curtain. And there's something behind the curtain maybe. So that's it. And you see, always orientating along the wall works best for me, but you need to find out what works best for you. But if you want, give it a try. Try to recall this apartment here. And in the next video, I will try to use that apartment together with you to memorize something. Thanks a lot. And as always, keep on memorizing. Bye guys.